China arriving from Luxembourg. This one is really battling with the wind. That was a nice touchdown.